Hey everyone, I'm Joe, an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Nagios Log Server version R2. This is super important because sooner or later, Log Server version R1 will be end of life. You will still be able to use it, but we will not be supporting any updates or bug fixes and/or adding new features. On the other hand, Log Server R2, we will be adding new features, supporting bug fixes, and adding updates to it. Come on, let's jump right into it. The first step is to make sure you have your favorite use of Linux, whether it's CentOS or Ubuntu, ready on a virtual machine. The next step is to make sure you have the wget command installed. If you do not have it installed, you can type in wget --version. This tells us that we do not have the command installed, so we can install it by typing in yum install wget. Now it's going to run the installer, and it's asking us if it's okay to install this. We can type Y, and it's going to ask us one more time. We can type Y again, and now we successfully have it installed. If you want to check, just to fully make sure that you have it installed, you can run the wget --version command again and see that you have it installed. Now the first step when installing Nagios LS R2 is you want to go into the temp files. So you want to type in cd //tmp, press enter. Now you're in the temp files. After that, we can type in our wget command. So wget //assets.nagios.com/downloads/Nagios Log Server, all one word, --latest.tar.gz. So now the installer is running right now, and it is going to take a few seconds, maybe close to a minute, maybe a little bit more, depending on your network speed. So after that command is fully completed and you're able to type in another command, we can type in tar xzf Nagios Log Server --latest.tar.gz. So now this command will take a few seconds to run. And now we can type in our second to last command, which is cd Nagios Log Server. And now we can do /full install. And now it is going to fully install Nagios Log Server. This is going to take a few minutes, again, depending on your network speed. And now we can see by this message, Nagios Log Server installation success. You can finish the final setup steps for Nagios Log Server by visiting the IP address that is rooted to your virtual machine. So now we can head over to our favorite browser. And now when you visit that IP, it says final installation steps, you're almost done. Set up your instance, so we can click this install. And if you have a license or you just want to do a free 30-day trial, which I'm going to be using the 30-day trial, you can just leave it as this. But if you have a license, then you can do I already have a key, type in your license key here. Or if you want to get a key, you can click on this green, get a license now. Below, you can do a admin account setups. So enter admin account settings. The default name is Nagios admin. If you want to change that, you are more than welcome to. Same goes as the full name. For password, you can type in a password and then confirm it. And then type in an email that you want to be designated with that admin account. Now we can click finish installation, and this might take a second or two. And now we can type in that username and password that you use for your admin account. So mine was Nagios admin, and then the password that I used, login. And boom, you have officially installed Nagios Log Server version R2. I hope everyone was able to follow these steps super easily and got Nagios Log Server R2 installed. For more support or any questions at all, you can visit us at www.support.nagios.com. Thank you.